Hi, this is Brian Jenkins from Run Signup. I'm here today to show you how to set up your age group capabilities in Run Signup and just a few caveats to make sure that you don't have any issues when you're publishing results as an RM timer into Run Signup. So what we're going to do is I'm in a test race right now. I'm going to go into the admin section of the race. I'm going to click on Go Race Day. Then I'm going to click on Race Divisions, and then I'm going to click on Race Divisions again. So then what I'm going to do is click Edit Divisions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, set the overall division to 0. And the reason is for this, overall division is something you might utilize if you had an event, regardless of gender or age, the top 3 or top 5 or the top 10 receive an award. It's fairly rare, so by default, you should, generally speaking, set that to 0. If you are using it, you can put in a number and then also set the time. Also at the top of the page, I can set the whether I want this race to be scored by chip time or gun time. Most events would be chip, but occasionally you might have gun. And the last thing I want to point out is that you do need to do this on a per event basis. So right now I'm in the 5K. I also can do this for the 10K, so we'll go ahead and do that. So I'm going to change that to 0, like I mentioned. And then below here, we've got our age groups in here. So we can name our age groups whatever we would like. We can pick if we'd like it to be anything different than the overall settings at the top there, whether we want it to be chip time or gun time. We can then set the ages and the gender. And so we can go to the bottom of the page, and I'm going to show you how you can use our quick age group setup. And so you can set up the age group sizes as minimum of 5, a number of results to show, which the number of results to show is like number of award winners that you have. So you can quickly set up age groups here, or you can manually add age groups. The most important thing as an RM timer to know is that you can upload your age groups, your default age groups in RM into Run Signup. But what you cannot do at this time is your custom age groups. So those custom age groups would be things like overall male. So let's say that's top 3. And that's going to be based off of chip time. And then you can decide if you want to allow people to win this division, of a higher priority division to win this division, meaning double dipping. You can set this based off of age. In this case, we're just going to set that off of gender. We can also add another one. Another common one might be master's male. And then we could say that's just 1 for the master's male. We're going to set that off of chip time. And the question is, can someone win the masters and the overall? Potentially yes, so we'll allow that. And then we can set that again to male. But in this case, we need to set the age range over 40. So this is where you can set up these extra custom categories, such as overall male, master's male, Grandmaster's male. You can set that all, and that will automatically show up on the results pages in Run Signup. If you do this after the race, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So if you do this after the race, you do want to go into the results. So we're going to go to Go Race Day, Results, then we're going to click Edit Results, and then we would hit Recompute Divisions. So again, this is very specifically, if you've already published results and now you're adding these custom age group settings afterwards, you just recompute it, and then the system's going to go and check and see if the rules have changed for the results display. So beyond that, you're all set. Thanks, guys.